Have you ever experienced an itch that strikes at the absolute worst possible moment? Are you sitting in a quiet meeting or maybe trying to fall asleep when suddenly your bottom starts to itch uncontrollably? Why does this happen? And why is nobody talking about it? Did you know that millions of people suffer from this quietly miserable condition, medically known as pruritus, but they are simply too embarrassed to seek help? But what is actually triggering this relentless urge to scratch? Could your daily hygiene routine be making it worse? Are you wiping too much with dry paper or using harsh, fragranced soaps that strip away your skin's natural protective oils? Or could it be your diet? Did you know that your morning coffee, spicy foods, citrus, or even chocolate might be the secret culprits irritating your perineal skin? What about underlying medical issues? Could internal hemorrhoids, leaking mucus, or even common skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis be the real reason you can't get comfortable? And why does it always seem to flare up at worst times, especially at night? It is just the warmth and moisture trapped under your blankets, or could it be something more? Did you know that the intense nighttime itching is a classic sign of a pinworm infection where microscopic parasites migrate to lay eggs while you sleep? Or perhaps stress and anxiety are heightening your body's itch perception, making a minor irritation feel like an absolute emergency right when you are trying to relax. Are you ready to stop suffering in silence and finally get some real answers? Do you want to know the exact step by step treatments, the full list of trigger foods to avoid, and the red flag symptoms you should never ignore? Where can you find this comprehensive, life changing medical guide completely for free? For all the answers, insight, and expert solutions to your most uncomfortable health questions, visit 12techbull.com right now to reclaim your comfort and your confidence.